In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allocate a credit note in Xero. Allocating a credit note is a quick way to reduce or clear what a customer owes when you've issued a credit. For example, for a return, a discount adjustment, or a billing correction. The goal is to apply that existing credit to the right invoice, so your accounts receivable stays accurate and your customer's balance reflects the true amount due. Start by heading to the sales area in Xero. This is where you manage everything related to what your customers owe. From there, open invoices to see the full list. You'll be looking for the invoice that needs the credit applied. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to narrow by customer name, invoice number, or status. Open the invoice so you can work directly on it and see the outstanding balance. On the invoice page, choose Allocate Credit. This option tells Xero you want to apply an existing credit note to the invoice. If more than one credit is available for that customer, Xero will show you those options so you can pick the correct one. This ensures the right credit is matched to the right invoice, which helps with clear audit trails and accurate customer statements. Next, enter the amount to credit. You can allocate the full remaining credit, the full invoice balance, or a partial amount, whatever fits the situation. A couple of quick tips here. Don't exceed the invoice balance or the remaining credit available on the credit note, and consider the reporting period you're working in so that your allocation date aligns with your month-end or close process. If tax was involved on the original items, Xero will handle the allocation against the underlying lines, but it's still good practice to double-check the totals. Once you're confident the amount is correct, click Allocate Credit to finalize. Xero will immediately apply the credit to the invoice. They reduce the outstanding balance and update the remaining balance on the credit note. You can confirm the change by looking at the invoice total due and by viewing the invoice history, which records the allocation for reference. If you don't see the Allocate Credit option, it usually means there isn't an available credit note for that customer yet. In that case, create the credit first, then return to the invoice and apply it using the same steps. And that's it. You've successfully allocated a credit note in Xero, keeping your receivables tidy and your customer accounts up to date.